Hello, lovelies. Today I am so excited to bring you this surprise unboxing. So I am Brooke Tannehill with Cami Page Boutique, and I received this box of loveliness in the mail, and I can't wait to share it with you guys so you can see what comes in the Christmas in July box. It's got all kinds of goodies. I have only cut the tape so that we can open it. I have not even taken a look in here. So I cannot wait to show you all the stuff that was packed up by the ALE team. So let's go ahead and get started. Oh, they're already going. So this is absolutely amazing. So I have to admit, I've gotten some ALE boxes in the past, but I am so excited about this box. So one of the reasons why I'm excited about this box is because actually Brittany Barnes did a tutorial on everything in here to make an amazing plaid and leopard print cup. So all the supplies in here. But the first thing that I just think are amazing are these stickers that we get. So these are different decals. So this one is definitely one of those clear cast stickers that you can see. Sorry, my nails are. But it's a clear cast sticker, so that means that you don't have to do a water slide. You don't have to do anything like that. You can simply apply these stickers over your cups, and they stand out without needing to do the sealing or anything like that. So I love these stickers. So you get one that says Merry Christmas. Here is another one, and this might be, so this is another decal, and this one is another clear one. And what's nice about these, if you can see here, is that they have a white background on them. So what that means is that when you apply them, you don't have to do a bleach spot on a cup. You don't have to do any kind of other background against the dark colors to stand out. Since these have the white backgrounds, they'll stand out automatically. So I really, really like these. They can go with any of your Christmas designs, and I can already think of a couple of things I would like to do with this one. So this is the same thing. It's another one of those clear decals. Oh, if I can get my... Sometimes nails are wonderful and other times they're not. So again, you can see the white backing on them. So this is another one that says Hot Cocoa Flannel and Christmas Movies. Super cute. And then let's check this one. This might be... So this is another one. This does not have the white backing on it. So I would recommend putting this either on a lighter color cup or doing kind of a bleach spot to make sure that it really stands out. But this one says Jesus is the reason for the season, and it has the plaid that coordinates with the tutorial for this box. So I love collecting the ALE stickers. I have them, I'm looking literally at two of them right now. I have them in my toolbox, but this one is so cute because it's got the gold backing and then the plaid or the buffalo plaid for the cup that we're doing. So really, really love these. Deb always surprises us with what these ALE stickers are gonna look like. So now let's get to even more goodies. Side note, I learned this from Brittany Barnes, but she saves this stuff, and I've started doing it too, so that when you ship your cups, you can just reuse this, and it adds a little bit of extra oomph to your cup packaging, and it's just super cute. So hold on to this. You can definitely reuse it instead of just throwing it away. So I'm gonna set this over to the side. Oh, so this is amazing. We have glitter. I'm seeing glitter first, so we can definitely go over that. So all of the glitter colors that you're going to receive for this box coordinate with the tutorial that Brittany did. So to create and develop and bring that cup to life, you are set. So the first thing is Burnt Umber Glitter from PDB. Then next is Perseus. It's a really pretty gold color. There's definitely multiple colors and dimension to this. This is a beautiful gold. Scorpion. And I have to say that Brittany knows how much I love this red color. It is so beautiful. Let's see if you guys can see this on camera. But it's a finer cut red. But it's just absolutely beautiful. And under ALE epoxy, it just it sparkles like no other. So I was so excited that Brittany chose this red in this ALE Christmas in July box. And finally I was like, I know there's one more color. This is Midnight, again from PDB, and this is the black that Brittany uses on the leopard spots in the tutorial. So this is a really, really pretty black. Let's see if I can get this one open too. Again, it's a finer cut, but it's a really pretty black that you're seeing there. So, next. So, the biggest thing about ALE, and I love this about them, is that they firmly believe that cup makers should not only make time to make their cups, but also take time to pamper themselves. So I love that they always include something from either Bath and Body Works or some kind of lotion, just something luxurious that makes you just take some time and just feel special for a minute. So I got this amazing hand sanitizer. It's got like the blingy diamond on it, and when I saw this, I saw this in actually Bath & Body Works a couple months ago. I almost bought it for myself, but I'm like, no. But then to get it in this box, absolutely amazing. So it's super cute. Love it. And you can put, if you run out of hand sanitizer, you can add more in the future and just keep this little holder. So I also got, what is this? Oh, awesome. So this is a, sorry, I had a complete mind fart for a second. This is shower gel, which I like because I'm not a big bath person. I guess I don't have time, which is kind of why Deb gives this stuff to us. But I got a shower gel, a really nice mist, and my favorite, a cocoa butter lotion. Especially when it's the winter and fall, my skin dries out, so I'm so excited to get some more Bath and Body Works stuff. So this is absolutely wonderful. I guess we can open it. Well, no, we won't open it, but it's the Dahlia scent, which I love. And one thing that Deb did tell us with the ALE group is that there's all kinds of different variations of scents and stuff. So you can get Dahlia, you could get black dress. There's all kinds of types. So your box will be different from what I'm getting. I'm just showing you what I received with this pack. So next, let's go with this. So this is a stainless steel blank. See which one it is. Oh, I know this one. So this is a 24-ounce plump from the Steel Magnolia. I'm kind of a dork, but I can tell it's a Steel Magnolia a couple of ways because the lid. I really like that you have the pop top option with the lid, but then you also have the straw hole because I like to use the straws just because it's just, I don't know, it's just preference. And then also Steel Magnolia because of the bottom. So if you're doing a vinyl wrap, especially around the holidays, these bottoms make it so nice because you can just run your X-Acto knife along the bottom and get a really smooth edge for your cups. So this is an awesome cup. I'm running low on them. I need to order some more, but I love the Steel Magnolia cups. That's pretty much the only stainless steel blanks that I use. So it is awesome to get that in one of these boxes. Now, my favorite part, and I will tell you I'm a little partial, is definitely the quarts of ALE. So in every one of the Christmas of July boxes or the past boxes or the upcoming boxes, you do get a quart of ALE epoxy. So to me, it makes it hugely worth it because first off, I love these bottles. They're a little bit easier to work with than the gallons. I typically only order gallons of ALE because I go through it so fast. But I really like the quart-sized bottles and how cute they are. They also come with these little toppers, which makes it super easy to pour the epoxy out. So in any box that comes out, this is typically my favorite thing to get, just because I love these bottles so much. So excited about this. Here is a straw that comes with a 24-ounce plump. So again, because I love the straws, I'm so happy to get this. And then we also get some mica powder. This one's from, let me see, Unicorn Dust Micas. So this is the Midnight Truffle, and this is a black, let's see if I can get this open, a black mica, which I don't have. So this is really nice to get this, but it's just a big, here I can flip it over, mica that we can use on the cups. And last but certainly not least is the vinyl. So look out for the vinyl, I have to tell you, because a lot of people don't know that it comes in the bottom of these boxes, but I love the vinyl that's in this tack. So pull this up and I can show it to you. I don't know what's even in here, but everything that ALE puts in their boxes, it's just, they're really careful about who they pick to work with. So let's see. Oh my gosh. So I'm pretty much, yeah, I got everything out. So this one, I'm definitely going to have to put on something. It says Plaid Obsessed. It's got that awesome buffalo plaid for the holidays. And I just love the red. Red is actually my favorite color. So that's one of the reasons why I'm so excited about this, this box. So Plaid Obsessed. This one is absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna set these up for a second. So this is actually another one of those clear casts. And so again, this has got the white ink behind it, so you can put this against any color cup. But this says "Be Joyful." I hope you guys can see that, but I just love it because it's got like the white text, a bunch of little snowflakes everywhere, and I just love how it just screams Christmas. And you can literally put this on any color cup, like I just said, so it makes it super easy to work with. And then, so I like these little pieces of vinyl just because you can get 1 or 2 designs out of them, and then you don't have a bunch of scraps everywhere. I keep my scraps, I use my scraps, but sometimes it's nice just to have these smaller pieces. So this is the different colors that you get. So, oh, that gold's really, really pretty. So you get a couple different colored golds. And I don't know if you can tell, but they're different textures. So that's what the difference between it is. Same color, but just different texture on the gold. There's a red glitter. Whoa, that's kind of trippy. But it's like a holographic, I don't even know what to call that. It's coming back. Nope. But that's really, really pretty. I also think of something to put that. That would actually be a great offset vinyl, that red. Here's some, I don't want to say true black. It's more like a gunmetal kind of black, blue, grayish, but that would be an awesome offset too. And look how pretty that one is. So that is everything that came in the box. You guys, there's a couple of these Christmas in July boxes left over. So if you want one, I will link it in the description so you can go ahead and snag it. I highly recommend these boxes. ALE actually tries to do a box every month. We will see. We might do a surprise and show you what the next box is for August. I might have an idea to what it might be, but go grab your Christmas in July box so you guys can get your own goodies. They'll be a little bit different from mine. One thing you will receive are all the materials to make the cup that Brittany created with this stuff. I will link that also in the description. Brittany's a good friend of mine, so I always love sharing the love with her. And I cannot wait to see what you guys make with all of these goodies. Tag me. I love seeing what you guys create. So thank you so much for tuning in. It means the world. I hope you guys start to love, or if you don't already love, ALE as much as I do. I almost gave up cups a couple years ago because I was so frustrated with different epoxies, and then I found ALE, and it's really helped me to set my cup game up. So hope you had a good time. Please let me know if you have any questions. I would love to answer any way I can, and I hope you have a good rest of your week. Thanks, guys. Bye.